Hey guys, this is Anup from FLab Systems and I hope you guys are having a very good day. Today we are going to be setting up software in the loop on Ubuntu 20.04, which being the latest version out there. And for this video we'll be installing PX4-Autopilot, QGroundControl and of course a 3D simulation software, this latest version of Gazebo, which is Gazebo 11. Sorry. I have linked my GitHub repo in the description so that you guys can follow along with me. So let's just open up the link and there you go. This is what you're gonna see. Okay, so let's just start without wasting any more time. So actually you can open up the terminal, Control Alt T, or you can just open it from this sidebar, or even from down here you can search it. Okay, so yeah, we have the terminal right here, and actually let's just make it always on top so that we don't minimize it when we are clicking somewhere else. For like if we are copying the code, we don't minimize it and we don't have to reopen it again and again. All right, so there you go. So I will just describe the code to you. All right, so cd, this will go to the main directory, home directory. All right, and this git clone github px4-autopilot. So we are going to clone px4-autopilot into our system. So this will actually also install Gazebo 11 on your system, so you don't need to follow this step, install Gazebo 11. So you can actually upgrade your Gazebo if a newer version comes. I will update the code, but if you want to update your Gazebo, you can just follow this code, or you can actually visit the website, Gazebo website, for alternative installations, right? So as of now, let's just copy this code and let's get started. And Control C, and to paste into terminal you have to Control Shift V. All right, and then you press enter, and you will be going through the installation process, and let's press enter. All right, fatal destination path. Okay, so guys, I already have installed PX4-Autopilot in my system, so that's why it's showing like that. So I have a very bad internet connection. I don't want to do it again, so that's why I just installed it, and I'm just recording it. So I was not I didn't face any issues while I was installing PX4-Autopilot on my system, so I hope that you guys don't face as well. So let's just close this, and okay, so let's just skip this step 2. Okay, let's just skip this step 2 and let's go to the step 3. We will just open Gazebo and PX4 using this. So let's get into the PX4-Autopilot directory. Okay, and to paste, Control Shift V. Oh, all right, Control Shift V, and there we go. We are inside the Autopilot directory, PX4 directory. So actually what this code will do is open up the Gazebo with a quadcopter. So you can actually check out more models on PX4 website, but for the sake of this tutorial, we are just gonna copy this code out here and paste it into the terminal. Okay, so when you're going to press enter for the first time, when you're trying to run the Gazebo for first time on your system, you will be prompted to install several Python dependencies. So some of them are listed here. So I listed some of them out, which I was prompted to install by the terminal. So the terminal will actually direct you how to install it. So you just have to follow what the terminal says and you will be good. All right, so let's just go through one more error here. So there will be an error for which there will be no you won't be directed by the command terminal to do so, right? So there you have to install this. So sorry, so this solved my problem. So I was not prompted to install anything. Rather, I was getting an error, which was quite time consuming to find what to do. So anyways, you can install, you can just run this code and you will get over it. And actually you can you will be like opening up Gazebo, but it will take some time. Gazebo will take its own time, and it's gonna be time consuming. You have to have patience. Okay, so all right, just that's over. So you have the Gazebo open right now. Let's just press enter. So I have run the Gazebo already, so I don't it's not gonna take time on my system. Anyways, so okay, so we have to install QGroundControl now. So what you have to do is you have to change some permissions on your system. So you have to just copy paste all this code into a new terminal. Okay, so let's copy this. Okay, so let's open a new terminal, which is Control Alt T. There you go, we have a new terminal. So let's copy all this code into there. You have to paste your, you have to actually do that, and you will change your permissions, and okay, and yeah, you will change your permissions, and you just have to log in and log out of your system, so that the permissions will be executed. All right, so let's just download QGroundControl from here. So you just click and it automatically starts downloading. So so you can do that and actually have the QGroundControl downloaded. So I'm not gonna download it again. So basically actually it was saved in my download file, so I actually changed it into my documents. So there okay, when I open my documents, there is my QGroundControl. So this is the app image you're gonna download, and this is what you will be getting as of now, if you haven't installed it already. So what you have to do is, so in the new terminal here, okay, yeah, so in the new terminal, Control Alt plus T, you have to direct yourself into the folder where you have actually put the QGroundControl. For that you can cd into documents. For me, I have installed it in, I want to install into documents. So documents, okay, I'm inside documents. You can actually list all the files inside that. So there you go, I have all these files inside that. So QGroundControl app image, I want to install this, right? So I will copy this, actually copy this name, copy, and actually don't need to copy, you can just copy this and can just paste it here, right? Control Shift V, and there you go, you have installed it. And now you can actually go to the app image and open it. But if you want to open it from right here, you can just copy this out and Control Shift V, and there you go, you will be opening up the QGroundControl here. So yeah, loading localizations. Okay, so yeah, okay, we have our QGroundControl now, and we have our Gazebo opened. There you go, and there is the quadcopter. Let's just minimize this and let's just show you that our Mavlink, we have connected our QGroundControl with Gazebo simulator. So if I want to like, okay, so ready to fly arm, so slide to confirm, sorry, yeah, so as you can see, the drone's propellers have started to rotate low. Wait, turn armed itself, but yeah, let's see, there you go, it's armed and it's ready to fly. So you can actually set up waypoints. You can list take off if you want to take off. So this is gonna start, the drone is gonna start taking off. There you go. And you can action, change altitude. Okay, so you can do several things. You can set waypoint and stuff, but I won't be going through it as of now. So this is I want to keep it short, but you can try it. You can try whatever you want to. That's it. Anyway, yeah, that's about it. So let's just end this video tutorial, right? So have a good day. Hope you set up your PX4 QGroundControl and Gazebo all well. And if you guys have any doubts or errors that occurred while installation, you can comment it down below. I will try to solve it. Okay, peace out.